The 911 Turbo has always stood at the pinnacle of Porsche performance, but the new 2023 model takes things to the next level. This is no ordinary car. It is an absolute beast of a sports car. Power comes from a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six, producing 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, allowing the Turbo S to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. That's supercar territory. Push the throttle and you'd better be ready because this thing absolutely explodes forward with a violence I've rarely experienced outside of a dedicated track car. The power delivery is amazingly linear too, allowing you to meter out that thrust with confidence. The new 8-speed PDK gearbox is lightning quick, banging through shifts in milliseconds. The Turbo S will keep pulling hard up to its 205 miles per hour top speed. Yes, over 200 miles per hour in a production 911. Handling benefits from active aerodynamics, including a rear wing that extends its speed along with adaptive air flaps up front. The Turbo S sticks like glue, cornering with poise and precision that defies logic in a car this powerful. The steering could be a touch more communicative, but there's no faulting its responsiveness. On the styling front, the 911's iconic shape continues to evolve. Wider fenders housing 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels give the Turbo S a lowered, hunkered-down look. New LED matrix headlights and cool 4-point DRLs modernize the front. Around back, the retractable wing, quad exhaust pipes, and huge intakes tell you this 911 means business. Inside, the blend of digital displays and classic 911 gauges provides a driver-focused cockpit. Everything from the perfectly bolstered sports seats to the materials and switchgear screams precision. It's a tech fest too, with a cutting-edge PCM multimedia system and an array of advanced driver assists. So how much will this pinnacle of 911 performance cost you? A base Turbo S starts at $204,850. Not cheap by any means, but also far from exotic supercar pricing considering the sheer performance on offer. After spending a full day pushing the new Turbo S to its limits, I walked away in awe. The acceleration, composure, and refinement are simply on another level compared to any previous 911. Porsche has created a genuine masterpiece, a sports car that delivers scintillating performance without sacrificing daily drivability. The king of all 911s has returned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.